Caught up with CEO Strauss Zelnick and asked what exactly is driving video game stocks. Take a listen.
There are a couple things driving the growth in not only the price of our stock, but some of our competitors. And the first is that I think the promise of the business is beginning to be translated into the reality of how these companies are doing, ours included. And the promise has been that interactive entertainment is the most rapidly growing part of the entertainment business. It has been for some time. And with a cohort of consumers, it's now about 37 years old on average and skewing only slightly more male than female. There's plenty of more growth in the population ahead. We also have the explosion of new-gen platforms. About 85 million of them are out there, and we expect that to nearly double in just the next few years. The launch of Nintendo Switch. And most importantly, the ongoing engagement of consumers in between big releases, what we call recurrent consumer spending. Consumers aren't only buying big video games now, they're staying engaged in the products they love, and we and our competitors are able to monetize that engagement.
Some of the biggest announcements at this year's E3, Microsoft's new powerful console, the success of Sony's PlayStation 4. How are you positioning yourself for these announcements?
Well, these machines are backward compatible, so they're effective for titles that are tailored for them. They're also playable for titles that are already in the market. I think every time that there's more technical room for our creative folks to express themselves, they're excited by that opportunity, and we pride ourselves in making the most deep, the most immersive, and the highest quality experiences in the business. So having sort of a more exciting and deeper canvas on which to paint is always good news for us.
Big news from Take-Two recently was the delay of Red Dead Redemption 2. What's the reason for that delay?
At the end of the day, we are always trying to put out the highest quality titles in the marketplace, and while it's always difficult to slip a title, when our development teams feel that more time is required to deliver the best possible experience, then that's the decision that's made, and it's paid off for us over and over again. At the end of the day, we are in the business of delivering the highest quality titles to the market.